Hi everyone, and Happy New Year from Cooking with Celebrate. Now we just have come off of the holidays where we may have overindulged in some of our favorite foods. So we are bringing you a very healthy, fiber-packed chickpea salad cup recipe. Come join us. So we're gonna start by making our chickpea salad by mashing our 1 can of chickpeas. Okay, once we're finished mashing our chickpeas, now, if it was too difficult to mash with a fork, you can use something heavier like a measuring cup to kind of push down to break through that outer skin of the chickpea, but then you'll get a nice coarse mash. And you can mash to whatever consistency you like. I like my chickpea salad to be a little bit more coarse and have more texture to it. So our next step will be adding in our diced red onion and our diced celery. And we'll just give that a mix so that we're evenly distributed. We will add in our seasoning, so it's a ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon pepper, and then 1 teaspoon celery seed. And then we will add in 2 tablespoons of light mayo. We'll give this a nice mix. Now you can use baby bell peppers and you would just cut the tops off, or you can just buy a full bell pepper and you'll just cut it down the ridges to make little cups. And what we're going to do is just fill each cup with our chickpea salad. And there you have a very easy and simple high fiber chickpea salad recipe.